Super Cup and the PNG Hunters at their new home, Bycroft Oval on the Gold Coast, up against
The SP PNG Hunters have been forced to make one change to their winning lineup for their Intrust Super Cup clash against the Cutters in Mackay on Saturday night. Second rower and vice captain Kevin Apple will miss the game after he was suspended for 2 matches following the Hunters' win over the Ipswich Jets before the competition took a break over the Easter weekend. Apple will also miss the home match against the Sunshine Coast Falcons on April 17. Emmanuel Waine will move into the vacant spot in the starting lineup after his impressive performances coming off the bench. Hunters coach Matthew Church stated that the squad has good depth, with players fully aware that they have to overcome any setbacks and remain consistent. Church added that the experience from the first 2 rounds has been invaluable, with the team adapting well to the experience of being away from home. The Hunters will enter this weekend's round of matches in 5th place, while the Cutters are in 12th, following losses in their first 2 matches. Huxley Lovai, Chukai Sports.
PNG 2